Across America's farmland, a silent war plays out every single night. It is not between farmers and storms, or between crops and drought. It is between agriculture and one of the most destructive invaders the land has ever seen, wild boars. These animals, often underestimated, have become a nightmare for farmers who must guard their fields as if protecting them from a living, breathing army. The damage wild boars cause is staggering. Corn, soybeans, peanuts, wheat, and rice fields can be flattened in a matter of hours by a single sounder, the family group in which these animals travel. Their feeding behavior is destructive by nature. When they root for food, they don't simply graze the surface. They dig deep, overturning soil, destroying irrigation systems, and uprooting young crops before they can grow. In many cases, fields that took months of work are ruined overnight. Farmers often describe the aftermath as if a tractor had plowed recklessly through their land, leaving scars that cost thousands of dollars to repair. Faced with this destruction, farmers are forced to take the next step, deciding how to defend their livelihood. Some invest in stronger fencing, others partner with local hunters, and many turn to wildlife agencies for assistance. But the challenge is relentless. Because wild boars reproduce at alarming rates, every delay in response means the problem multiplies. A single sow can give birth to 2 litters per year, with anywhere from 4 to 12 piglets each time. Within 6 months, those piglets are mature enough to reproduce themselves. This means that without aggressive control, even small populations can explode into thousands within a few years. Understanding wild boar behavior is critical to finding solutions. These animals are not just strong. They are highly intelligent and cautious. They use keen senses of smell and hearing to avoid threats, move mostly under the cover of darkness, and adapt quickly when they detect danger. This makes them difficult to trap, stalk, or predict. Their aggression when cornered and their sheer toughness only add to the challenge. Hunters often describe them as some of the smartest and most dangerous game in North America. Hunting has become one of the most practical and immediate solutions. Farmers often open their land to trusted hunters, who use daytime drives, night vision rifles, and thermal scopes to track and remove wild boars. Professional sharpshooters and organized groups can clear entire sounders, preventing further destruction. Trapping, especially with corral traps that capture dozens at once, has proven effective when combined with hunting pressure. This not only reduces numbers, but also buys time for farmers to replant and recover. Ethical, regulated hunting ensures that the effort remains focused and humane, aligning with both conservation values and community needs. Wildlife management agencies add another layer of defense. They coordinate large-scale strategies that farmers alone cannot handle, such as helicopter-based eradication in Texas, cooperative programs across multiple states, and scientific research into long-term solutions like fertility control. Immunocontraceptives and sterilization methods are being tested to slow reproduction, but these solutions remain experimental. For now, integrated management, mixing hunting, trapping, and scientific innovation offers the best hope. Ultimately, the fight against wild boars is not one that farmers can win alone. It requires cooperation between hunters, scientists, local communities, and government agencies. Every successful program relies on teamwork, farmers reporting damage, hunters stepping in to reduce numbers, and agencies guiding long-term plans. Only through this partnership can farmland be protected, crops saved, and balance restored to ecosystems that have been under siege.